Hello everybody, welcome back, and in this video I will teach you how to use Heygen AI to create a video. So let's just begin. Let's just say you are onto a Heygen dashboard. You first of all need to choose an avatar. So on the left side you can see we have multiple avatars in here. Let's just say I want to go with Annie, and once you select that you can see we will be inside our editor section. Here you can modify your avatar, apply different kind of script and voiceovers. So you can see we have this avatar, and we have the timeline at the bottom. Now what we need to do over here is, you can see we have media, text, avatars. Now it's time to basically generate your video. And before we do that, you can head over to the link in the description below to get 22% off onto their paid plans. So for that, make sure to head over to the link in the description below. So all you need to do here is simply type your script on the left side, like for example, hi, let's start with this video and I am super excited. Once you do that, all you need to do, you can see it is basically going to be generating your voiceover using this option. So it is now playing the audio and it is loading up.
Hi, let's start with this video, and I am super excited.
You can see, let me just play that again. So here it is, the play button. You can use it to preview your script. It's going to be
Hi,
generating
let's
that.
start with this video, and I am super excited.
Alright, so now you need to simply generate this option, and these are the settings. First is title, your folder, resolution, and FPS. Click on submit. It is going to be taking some time, so make sure to stand by until it is generating. You can see this is now 15% ready. Once it does complete, it is going to be providing you your video, so just hold on. Here, as you can see, the video is now ready.
Hi, let's start with this video, and I am super excited.
So that's how you can create it. If you want to share it, you have the option on top right side. And thank you so much for watching.